What's going on, Mixonites? I am Nathen Mixon with MixonFitness.com. I just got done hooping these kids out. Anyway, we're going to start a cardio hit training. So it's going to be 8 exercises. Each exercise is going to last about 45 seconds. You're going to have 15 seconds to rest in between that time. So get you some water, stretch out what you need to stretch out, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you have time, hit that push notification and also hit the like button. So let's get ready to crumble. Let's go.
3, 2, run in place.
All right, so put those miles in, get those steps in. All right, running in place is an excellent way to build up the cardio, boost your endurance. All right, let's get ready for the next one.
3, 2, run in place.
All right, so those are good for the hip flexors. All right, so make sure you breathe in, nice deep controlled breaths. Drink your water if you need to. I'm eating your 15 seconds up, by the way. Let's get ready for the next one.
2.
Quads, they are on fire right now. I say that all the time, but they always on fire. Let's go to the next one.
3, 2, inner thighs.
Inner thighs, they're on fire too. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoying this. Make sure you drink some water, beating that heat, all right? Do some exercises. Do this 2 more times after this.
3, 2,
Quads. I don't feel them anymore, but that's okay though. We gotta do this 2 more times too. I hope you guys take a nice little break after this.
3, 2. Currency launch.
All right, so this one's gonna be a lunge and hop. So we're gonna split right between the middle. Okay, so get ready for that.
3,
I don't feel my leg.
3, 2.
Oh. I know you guys hate me right now. I hate myself. Anyway, we gotta do that 2 more times and keep that in mind. So make sure you rewind this video. Last one, I think, maybe.
3,
Take it to the ground. Ain't no downtime. I tell you what, that was heart pumping, okay? So if your heart's not pumped up, then you must be slacking off, okay? So make sure you get in there. We gotta do this 2 more times after this first set. So rewind me, I'll put a timestamper in there. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on your push notifications. If there's something you wanna see on my channel, make sure you comment down below, because I will see it and I will do it, all right? Now this is like something kinky, then I still might do it. But anyway, I'll catch you later. Peace.